Okay, this is a quick demo of manual agent install feature. In this case, we're going to be using GitOps to upload a Bootstrap package and enable manual agent install, which will skip the regular fleetd installation. We have fleetd inside this Bootstrap package. Let's go ahead and run GitOps. And it takes a little while because it is downloading the Bootstrap package from this URL. I'll pause until it's finished. Okay, it is finished. I can manually verify by going to the UI or going to the database, the teams table, and looking at the config there, and I see manual agent install is set to true over there. So let's jump into the next part where we are actually going to run the enrollment flow. And the way to verify that things are actually working correctly, to make sure that fleetd is not being installed, is to simply monitor the traffic. This is a development tip to monitor the traffic using ngrok tunnel or whatever you're doing for monitoring. And you can monitor the MDM commands to make sure that the fleetd install command is not sent and only the Bootstrap package is being installed. So I see the server is communicating. It's installing the profile. The profile installed, there we go. It is now installing the Bootstrap package right now. It looks like it should be almost done. Device is configured, so we should be able to enter our username and password shortly. Okay. And I can double check to make sure everything ran correctly. By checking for a text file that was created, as well as just making sure fleetd is up and running. Okay, let me double check to make sure things were installed. We can see that we have the wrapper installer log file here that I put there during the install. I also put this little victor.txt file, so we do see that the Bootstrap package did run. And we see Fleet over here because we have a Bootstrap package contained the Fleet desktop right here. So next we're gonna just look at it in the Fleet server. Okay, and here we have our device. It has been, our settings has been verified. Everything's looking fine. That's it.